This guy has seen better days. So we're going to bring back that showroom shine. And then get it muddy again. Welcome back to the Scale Builders Guild. Thanks again for watching. It's time for a moto makeover. We're taking the Losi Promoto here, and we're going to be giving this a serious makeover. It's seen better days, not going to lie. Wheels are a little wobbly, panels are a little bit filthy, definitely a little bit bent, definitely a little bit broken, and it's time to refurbish a motorbike, which is great timing because it's almost time for the snow to start falling. Fall is one of my favorite times to drive RCs because it's not super hot. You get really nice weather, nice and sunny, get low suns, you get those really beautiful golden hours. And this Promoto is so much fun that it really kind of deserves a makeover after having it for over a year now. It's acquired a fair bit of use. So some of the things are a little bit worn, some of the things need to be replaced, and some of the things just need to be refurbished. So we're going to give this a full once-over, tear down, upgrade, and then we're going to see how it does and how it looks, more importantly, because I'm all about the looks. You can tell by my hat. Let's get right into it and take a look at all the stuff that I've acquired to make this basically new again. I put together a nice little collection of parts that I think are going to make for a really nice rebuild on this Promoto, and definitely give it a bit of an upgrade here and there as well. One of the first upgrades that I picked up was this aluminum hub set. They're machined, they're gold, they look amazing. These are from Losi, and of course I'll put links to all of these things down below so you can upgrade your Promoto as well if you'd like to follow along. We're also going to be updating the sprocket to this gold aluminum version as well. It's just nice to kind of have all these pieces kind of go together. One of the big ones is from Vitavon Racing Development. It's a new rear swing arm for the Promoto, also in gold. And this is an adjustable swing arm too, so you can adjust the tension on the chain without having to make any adjustments to the chain, which I like very much. I also picked up a new exhaust and rear brake rotor. I lost the exhaust piece on one of my adventures and it's long gone, so I figured we should get that back on there. Another big upgrade, we've got the carbon fiber chassis plates. Who does not like carbon fiber? Raise your hand. Exactly. And to go along with this new black and gold look, we've got the little man's jersey all in black. This was a cool little piece here. His outfit is trashed, so getting some new clothes on our man is very important. And I've also got all the black panels and black sticker sheets. All right, so let's get right to it. We're going to start with the hardest part, which is probably disassembly so we can get these new chassis plates on. That's going to be a rather big job, so we're probably going to fast forward through all of that to get to the good part. But let's get on it.
My energy is my currency. So if you're sad or you're mad, if you laugh or you cry, I'm still getting paid. Knock out the middleman. I'm on some shit you wouldn't understand. Yeah. Well, I'm here for the crown. It's been way overdue. Look at me slide, yeah, I'm up to no good. People will frown 'cause they wanna be you, but they'll never be you. They just wanna be you.
And there we go. That was super easy. The entire motorbike took about, I'm going to say, 4 hours to break down, clean, and reassemble with all the new parts, which isn't too bad considering the complexity of this RC. It is not simple by any means. There are a lot of moving parts, and to get it back to this stage in not all that much time, I'm pretty pleased about. Now, of course, we've got the new Vitavon swing arm on the rear here. We've got the new gold chain sprocket on there, which looks fantastic. Everything's been cleaned up really, really nicely, and I'm really excited to take this out, but it's a little too soon for that because all of these panels are completely bare, and we can't leave it like that. We're going to have to add a livery, so that's going to be the next step in this rebuild here. And I would love to get, I know that Tom Lee already did it, but I'd love to get a little hoodie for this guy. I think that would look pretty cool. The biggest complication when doing a rebuild like this is when you disassemble everything, you need to make sure that you reassemble everything in the right place. And there are a lot of pieces on this motorcycle. Without a good exploded view or a proper instruction manual, you will never be able to figure out how to get this all back together again without taking a lot of pictures. That's another great tip I can give you, is if you're doing a disassembly and you don't have a manual, take a picture of how everything looks. Separate all of the steps that you've done into parts piles so you know what goes where at least. Not all that difficult when you know what to do. I really like the look of these hole shot tires too. I think these are going to be a lot of fun. Apparently, according to the original designer of the bike, this tire works a lot better than the Dunlops it comes with because you get a larger contact patch because there is a smaller pattern of knobs. I'm a small pattern of knobs. And of course, if you're enjoying this video, hit the like button. You like seeing me rebuild things or fix things or replace parts? Hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already and ring that notification bell so you get updates anytime there's a new video from the Scale Builders Guild. And if you want to see videos like this early and know that videos like this are coming, you should definitely join up the channel membership here at the Scale Builders Guild, where we offer all kinds of tips and tricks, very special exclusive content, giveaways, and of course, you just get to hang out with me more. Who wouldn't want to do that? After we've got that very uncomfortable segue out of the way, let's take this bike out for a spin.
Start me up, get me in motion. Light the fuse and step away. I'm feeling every new emotion. Turn me loose, I came to play. Yeah. And now I'm running free. There ain't no shackles that are holding me. Won't hear me making no apologies. Now I'm running free, nothing stopping me. I'm jumping in. Let's go. Whoa, whoa. I'm jumping in. Let's go. Whoa, whoa. Jumping in. I'm jumping in. No, I ain't waiting on the sideline. I'm up and ready to go. My heart is pounding 'cause it's my time. I'm counting down to explode. Yeah. And now I'm running free. There ain't no shackles that are holding me. Won't hear me making no apologies. Now I'm running free, nothing stopping me. I'm jumping in. Let's go. Whoa, whoa. I'm jumping in. Let's go. Whoa, whoa.
After giving the Promoto a serious once-over and a ton of upgrades, I can easily say that I much prefer the ride now, and that comes down to the new carbon fiber chassis plates. That extra lightweight set of plates makes a huge difference in the overall weight of the motorbike, and it helps pretty much put more weight down low. If there's one upgrade to make that isn't cosmetic, that's definitely it.
I'm jumping in. I'm jumping in. I'm jumping in.
That's going to do it. Thank you so much for watching, and of course, we'll see you again next time.